Hello guys, a little noisy here. Today I come to one of my supplier factory. Is making the extruder machine. Also is making the melt bronze, the making machines, and I will show you around and you see this wheel, this one. This is making the melt bronze. Yeah, this one. And I will test my new this camera. Okay. Material which make the metal bronze. They are heating this machine and they're going to adjusting that. It's about to ship to run the shipment. You're making this. This is a big one. This is a small one. You see, make it clearly. Well, this part is the heater, and then you need some air press to make it make the melt bronze. You can see this place. You can see it more clearly. See that? Yeah, the metal bronze is just blowing to this part and rolling that and make it to the roll. Yeah, it seems it's very simple, but when you're making this machine, it's quite different, quite difficult. See, so we stay at this place. Oh, I forgot to close it. See that? See?